Republicans in the United States have nominated Mike Johnson as the next Speaker of the House of Representatives, hours after their previous choice withdrew amid party infighting that has paralyzed political decision making in the country for more than 3 weeks. Johnson of Louisiana is the fourth Republican this month to win the party's nomination for the Speaker's chair, which has sat vacant since a small faction of party rebels ousted Kevin McCarthy on 3rd October. Johnson secured the nomination hours after Tom Emmer, the third most senior Republican in the House, withdrew because of opposition from party hardliners. After he withdrew Tuesday afternoon, Emmer briskly left the building where he had been meeting privately with Republicans. He said later at the Capitol that Trump's opposition did not affect his decision to bow out. "I made my decision based on my relationship with the conference," he said, referring to the GOP majority. He said he would support whoever emerges as a new nominee. "We will get it done." The disarray has left US lawmakers unable to respond to the wars in the Middle East and Ukraine or take steps to head off a looming government shutdown on November 18. Nominees need to secure 217 votes to become Speaker. The high threshold and the Republican Party's slim 221-112 majority over the Democrats means that candidates cannot afford to lose votes. It is unusual in US politics for an opposition party to vote for the rival party's nominee for Speaker. During private balloting, Johnson won a majority with an expected House floor vote on Wednesday. Johnson bested Byron Donalds, Mark Green, Roger Williams, and Chuck Fleischmann in the latest Republican Speaker nomination fight. In total, 14 Republicans have put their names forward for Speaker this month. A lawyer specializing in constitutional issues, Johnson had rallied Republicans around Trump's legal effort to overturn the 2020 election results. Elevating Johnson to Speaker would give Louisiana two high-ranking GOP leaders, putting him above Majority Leader Steve Scalise, who was rejected by hardliners in his own bid as Speaker. In the end, Johnson won 128 votes on the evening ballot, more than any other candidate. McCarthy, who was not on the ballot, won a surprising 43 votes. Republicans have been struggling all month, unable to conduct routine business as they fight among themselves with daunting challenges ahead. The federal government risks a shutdown in a matter of weeks if Congress fails to pass funding legislation by November 17 deadline to keep services and offices running. More immediately, President Joe Biden has asked Congress to provide $105 billion in aid to help Israel and Ukraine amid their war and to shore up the US border with Mexico. Federal aviation and farming programs face expiration without action.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.